I'm gonna give you first looks at the shed we didn't even know existed because it was overrun. So I'm starting here putting in my very first plants. So this is the entranceway. This is the first thing you see when you walk up the stairs into the yard to come to the house. So I'm digging out this little patch, getting the honeysuckle vines out, digging up a little bit, cutting out those honeysuckle vines and different little undergrowths. And I am going to plant in here irises up along the back near the fence because they'll be nice and tall. Got those in, brought some water from the barn to help these guys. And then I got to put in, see, I got some rocks in here to keep erosion from happening on this hill while these plants are taking roots. Oh, there's that good compost and rabbit poop I brought with me to give these plants a nice, good start. So I have dug out a hole in the side of the hill. This is where I'm going to plant my echinacea. This is going to be great on this super sunny, bare slope area over here. I wanted things that weren't going to wilt up, It's on purpose what I'm planting here. Now I have packed in a little bit of that good compost rabbit poop into the side of the hill here. Gives this echinacea something to eat while she's growing in. Now these are all plants I have dug up from the barn, things that are perennials that I need to get in the ground before winter comes here at the new house. Getting some more compost, rabbit poop mixture in there. So right now I'm opening up a little pack of crocus bulbs. Now I got this for $3 at Walmart. And it's a mixed thing, purple, white. Crocus is the first thing to pop up in the spring. Oftentimes it'll be poking up through snow, And so I'm just going to have a few little flowers that are going to pop up at the end of the winter to welcome us to springtime. It's going to be a lovely little nice surprise. Now I'm just watering everything in good here. Now I even gave those little crocus bulbs some of my good old compost fertilizer. And I'm watering in everything. I've packed the soil up around the roots real good. Got some rocks in there to help with erosion while the roots are taking in. And I'm just going to water it in real good. Whenever you're planting something or transplanting something, you water it in real good when you first put it in. So there's water all over all the roots and in the soil and even in that hard clay around there, just to give things a good start. Now this may not look like much, but having some flowers and some color when you first come up to the house, it's going to be really great. And this is just a few feet and it's going to grow. My garden is going to spread and grow, but you gotta start somewhere. And you can use that philosophy in your regular house, in your fixer-upper. If you don't have a garden, just start with 1 or 2 plants. Just clear out 1 or 2 feet, and then it spreads from there. A little work every day gets you far fast. Alright, first of all, look at John's hill of hay. It's a haystack. There we go, haystack. Alright, so there's John's haystack. And I'm going to give you first looks at the shed we didn't even know existed because it was overrun.
I don't see no shed.
Now, Tom, I don't know if you want to come over in here.
I'll try.
Could be snakes. Eyes open. Eyes where you step.
Huh. Well, I'm going to go back.
Oh. Can y'all tell there's a shed? Like, the roof is still intact. A whole dang tree has fell on the shed, but the shed still stands. It looks sturdy. Oh my floor. It looks enchanting and lovely, honestly. First reaction, gut reaction. It is just literally the most perfect place on earth for a goat. It's a little lean-to. We'll get in there. All is coming.
Bibles.
Bibles get printed and get them out.
Oh, good. Come on. Business law, human relations, America past and present. You could use these.
No. You silly goose. Well, here's a door, an old door. That could be for us. That's a possible thing. Yeah, it looks like that's kind of bent size. We're just over here looking at what's going on. I could use this door. Strip that. They look solid. I think we can use that door. Oh, John, look. Shine some light. It's an old lock. That's so much charm. I really love this door. This used to be all garbage. Before picture. After picture. It's clear, y'all. Hey, John.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Let's go get in the fresh air.
Let's do it.
We've been cleaning the basement today.
Yeah.
Y'all, I haven't showed y'all. John chopped more into the briar patch around the future goat house chicken coop. Let's look. Look at that. It was all briar patch, tall as I am, and he chopped it. All these beautiful rock walls, they just ring my bell. There's our shed. We didn't even know. It's sturdy. I can't even believe it. We've about reached through to the front yard. Yeah, John chopped all this stuff with a sling blade, and it's just briar patch, huge briar patch. And he's almost chopped through all the way back to the front yard. And there's our shed. He's chopped out more about that. I can't believe how sturdy that thing is. OMG, I just can't even. I'm definitely thinking, God, if I put chicken wire all around that thing, I got a chicken coop today. I'm a chicken girl. If you've been following this channel for a while, then you remember my chickens. But it's been like 4 years since I had my chickens. That felt good, didn't it? So y'all, yellow jackets are less active at night. Y'all know we got them cased in with glass bowls. John, the hero of this story, is gonna seal them in with some mud he has made from our red Virginia clay. Yeah, so far so good. He's like an ancient potter, protecting the family. Going good, going good. No swarm. Nighttime seems to be important. The yellow jackets are sleeping. Little do they know. That's the stop. Make sure to leave some light so they'll try to reach the light of day and die trying. Yeah. I'm feeling very optimistic about this. I'm feeling very optimistic that we're about to conquer the yellow jackets.